How to fix login errors on Telegram. Now, login errors on Telegram could be happening due to a couple of reasons. Telegram is very secure when it comes to their login, so that people should not spam it. First of all, we want to make sure that we are connected to a proper internet connection and it isn't the issue with our internet. After that, when we open the Telegram app, we want to make sure that our phone number is also correct. So when our phone number is correct, make sure you have access to this phone number, because Telegram will either give you a call or SMS to this number. Now, sometimes when you tap on the yes button and then you hit the yes, it says too many attempts, or maybe it is not sending a verification code. You have to understand the reasons why this happens. Sometimes Telegram will not send the SMS code to your SMS app, but instead to a current device where your Telegram account is already logged in. So if your Telegram is logged in on your laptop, you can try to check for the verification code on the website of Telegram on laptop. So that's how it basically works, because you'll find them here only after a couple of while you'll be able to request an SMS. Now, if your phone number is banned, then I would recommend you simply wait until 24 hours before Telegram will remove the restrictions from your account, because if you're trying to log in too much, Telegram might give you that issue. One thing, however, I would recommend you do is you can try to uninstall and reinstall the Telegram app, but for Android users you don't have to do that, because you can directly go to storage, clear cache, and clear the data. After you do that, you can simply try to download a VPN. Any VPN, connect to any VPN service, free VPN, paid VPN, doesn't matter. Then after that, you can try to log into Telegram, because what happens is using a VPN will also basically change the IP address, which will let Telegram think that you are logging in from a different number, and as a result might give you access back to your account. And if none of this helped, then there's also another application actually called as Telegram X, which is also another Telegram application, by the way. So it's not a third-party app. This is the official developer, is also Telegram themselves. It's just like Facebook Lite, but with a little bit of less features. So you'll be able to find them right here. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.